Abra. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, really. You really fine?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm really fine. What is the topic today? Can you say topic? What is
And this is topic banan.
he?
A scientist এর মতো লাগে scientist.
She.
This is scientist.
This is a scientist. Wow.
Yes.
Who draw this?
Me?
You.
Yes. চারটাই আমি।
Okay. Okay, read.
এই যে সায়েন্টিস্টের নাম হইতেছে আনিস। এই যে আনিস।
Okay. Read the full sentence. This is quick.
Boy.
This is. Read the full sentence, Abrar.
এটা জানি কি ছিল?
This.
This is Anis. This is Mira.
Mira. Okay. Look at
This
your
is
picture, please. Wow.
picture. Boom, boom,
Picture.
boom,
Okay, next,
boom.
third one. This is.
This is
What is
Asim.
Asim.
This
And
is
last
Maya.
one.
Maya.
Maya. Okay. So, can you say something more about them? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What is the? You write the first one another way. Wow. He is. Sorry. Stop. Is right. He is
হবে এখানে
a
boy.
boy. Wow. Very good.
This is not
Full
Anis.
stop, please. Okay. Next one. I can't see. Please. Yes. Good. She
This is
is what? What is the space? Please. Good. What is this? She is a what? Pronounce, please. She's what?
She is a girl.
She's a girl. Good.
She is a girl.
She is a girl. Okay, next
She is a
one.
girl.
Third one. I can't see, please. He is wow. What is this?
Boy.
Boy. Full stop, please.
Put stop, please. Please.
Yes. Full stop means it's a complete sentence. Okay, last one.
Where does
This
say?
is Maya. Okay, you.
এটা
And right. She. Next. She.
আমি বসে করি
Okay. She is next
a girl.
one. Right quick. Why not in a balance in your writing? Full stop, please. Okay. So,
Bye,
can you say why you use he in the case of boy? বয়ের বেলায় কি হবে? He. And she কখন হবে?
Girl.
Girl. So, girl কারা বলো তো?
Me.
And boy?
Me.
Boy
ছেলে।
you. Yes. You are a
Boy.
So, say, this is Abrar, say.
This is Abrar.
Huh?
This is Abrar.
He's a boy. Say.
He's a boy.
He's a boy. Good.
But তুমি তো কথা বলো।
Again say, I am Abrar.
I'm Abrar. He's a boy.
I am a boy.
I'm a boy.
If you say this is Abrar, then he is a boy. But if you say I am Abrar, you need to say I am a boy. Wow. Very good.
তোমারটা তুমি বলো তুমি কি?
This is Parveen Akhtar. I am a woman. Very good. Bye bye. Allah
woman না
Hafiz.
girl
No, yes, girl also.
Girl, woman, girl, woman.
So this is active English, yeah?
yes
Say
actually
bye bye.
একটু দেখাই দে
Say Allah Hafiz.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ আল্লাহ